Pray? Pray for what? Wow. This mirror's got a little. Whoa! That's electricity. Sorry, my bad. I'm used to prison. Is that mirror a prison for you? No, why don't you just stay up here with me for a moment longer? Because it's the 3-bar energy pipe bouncing around. Maybe we just all frustrated. Wait a minute. Just give it a try. You try it up here by yourself. What are you frustrated about? You can't get out? You know what? You might be able to move or not. You should have checked on the cars. Yeah. That's right. No, you stay up here. Okay. Whoa. IMF on the bed. I'm sure this bed has seen a lot of things. That doll is charged. Can you tell me who is attached to this doll? We will achieve the impossible. Well, there's only one way to find out. We need to get out of here. False. What's false? What's false? We're stuck in Kingman because it's snowing today. So we decided to stay in the Motel 6. Suffocate wine. Were you over drinking and suffocated? I do. Demon dog. Where's a demon dog? Where's a demon dog? Or not demon dog. Where's a good girl? I want to. You want to leave? Are you trying to leave? Here's the door. I'm trying to leave. You don't have to stay in this mirror or that mirror. You can leave. You can leave anytime you want. Just find that bright white light and leave. Did you die on this bed or that bed? Did you suffocate on that? Okay, I'll be quiet. All you'll hear is the TV. We're watching Ghost Adventures with Zach Baggins, y'all. We don't get TV, we don't get cable. So it's such a treat to watch others. We can replace your windshield and recalibrate your safety system. Try to find that bright white light and go through it and leave. I'm leaving now. Thank you for coming through and talking to me. I'll be fine. Peace, love, light, and forgiveness. If you need it, you're not allowed to. No, I gotta go. You're not allowed to attach yourself to any animals, humans, vehicles, or electronics on this property. Do you understand? You just stay here. Try to find a bright white and go through it and leave. Yes, this is very strange. Angel? I'm not an angel. You're an angel. You're a spirit. You're an angel now. You can leave, okay? Go ahead and leave. Try to find a bright white light and leave. Thank you for coming through. Goodbye.